Picture this. You're in a meeting. Ideas are bouncing around, but nothing sticks. The clock is ticking and you're not getting anywhere. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? We've all been there, trapped in the vortex of unproductive meetings. It's a world where time seems to stand still, and organization is but a faint dream. Scribbled notes, overlapping conversations, and a lack of clear direction can turn any meeting into a chaotic mess. And the worst part? The valuable time we lose, time that could be spent doing something, well, productive. This constant merry-go-round of disorder and inefficiency is far too common in the modern workplace. But don't despair just yet. There's light at the end of the tunnel, a solution to this all-too-familiar problem. Well, what if we told you there's a way to transform those chaotic meetings into a well-oiled productivity machine? Enter M365 Copilot. M365 Copilot isn't just another tool. It's your virtual meeting assistant, designed to streamline your productivity and efficiency. Imagine a world where you're no longer burdened with the minutiae of meeting administration. That's the realm M365 Copilot inhabits. Let's delve into the basics. M365 Copilot, at its core, is an AI-powered meeting companion. It flawlessly integrates with your favorite collaboration tools, making the transition seamless and the interaction intuitive. One of its standout features is real-time transcription. Gone are the days of frantic note-taking or fearing you've missed a crucial point. M365 Copilot listens in, jotting down every word, every idea, every action point, but it doesn't stop there. The AI-driven insights feature analyses the content of your meetings, providing you with key points and actionable data. This way, you can focus on what truly matters, the conversation and the ideas. Sounds impressive, right? But how exactly does it work? Let's break it down. To start, you'll need to have your M365 Copilot integrated with your Microsoft Teams. Now you're all set for a smarter meeting experience. So, how do you use M365 Copilot to get the most out of your virtual meetings? It's simple, really. Once you've initiated a meeting on Microsoft Teams, M365 Copilot is there to assist you right from the start. First, it takes care of transcribing your meeting. Yes, that's right. No more frantic note-taking or fearing that you've missed something important. M365 Copilot listens in, capturing every word, every idea, every action point. It's like having your very own personal secretary working tirelessly to ensure that you never miss a beat. But M365 Copilot doesn't stop at transcription. It also provides AI-driven insights. Using advanced artificial intelligence, it analyzes the conversation, identifying key points and actions. It's like having a second pair of eyes, always on the lookout for these nuggets of information that can make all the difference. And when it comes to collaboration, M365 Copilot truly shines. It integrates seamlessly with all your favorite tools and platforms. Need to share a document? Done. Want to schedule a follow-up meeting? Consider it done. M365 Copilot is like the glue that holds your team together, ensuring that everyone is on the same page every step of the way. But perhaps the best part about M365 Copilot is how it saves you time. By taking care of the mundane, it frees you up to focus on what truly matters. The ideas, the strategy, the creativity. It's like having an extra hour in your day, every day. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to using M365 Copilot. It's not just about making meetings more productive, it's about making your entire workday more productive. It's about working smarter, not harder. And just like that, you've turned your meetings from a time sink into a productivity powerhouse. So you've seen how M365 Copilot works, but why should you consider using it? Well, let's take a moment to recap the key points. With M365 Copilot, you're not just participating in a meeting, you're stepping into a virtual cockpit that helps you navigate the meeting landscape more efficiently. Remember, this isn't about just making meetings smoother, it's about giving you back your time. The real-time transcription feature means no more frantic note-taking or worrying about missing important details. It's all captured for you, so you can focus on the conversation at hand. And let's not forget the AI-driven insights. They don't just help you understand the meeting better, they also provide useful data to optimize future meetings. That's right, we're talking about a tool that learns and improves over time. With M365 Copilot, you're not just surviving your meetings, you're mastering them. So if your enterprise has access to M365 Copilot, make the best use of it and be more productive. But remember, productivity and return on investment is difficult to manage. And M365 Copilot is more about how the individual works as opposed to be solely a technology play.